Discover the joy of every ride with the Kidsmate Flashwheel Kick Scooter, where safety, stability, and stylish design come together for endless fun. It comes in two vibrant color combinations, sporty blue and orange, and stylish pink and purple, perfect for every young rider. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. Carefully take the scooter out of the box. You will find an installation guide for easy setup instructions. Setup takes just a few seconds. Lift the handlebar until it clicks securely into place. The smart foldable design makes setup fast and effortless. When it's time to carry or store the scooter, just press the quick release folding button to fold it down in seconds. Crafted with premium quality materials, the scooter offers exceptional strength, durability, and stability for everyday riding. Built for years of adventure, the 5-level adjustable handlebar adjusts easily to match the child's height as they grow. The strong 3-wheel design provides excellent balance and stability, helping children ride with confidence from their very first adventure. The front wheels feature motion-powered LED flashing lights that automatically illuminate while riding, no batteries required, making every ride more exciting. The wide anti-slip deck offers a secure standing platform, allowing children to ride comfortably while maintaining better balance. The lean-to-steer technology allows children to turn naturally by shifting their body weight, helping improve coordination, balance, and overall riding confidence. A responsive rear foot brake provides quick, controlled stopping whenever needed, adding another layer of safety during playtime. Built with durable materials and engineered for everyday adventures, the Kidsmate Flashwheel Kick Scooter delivers a smooth, stable, and enjoyable riding experience on every journey.